Where are we heading?
Cars and Connections.
Let's go.
We are gonna go pick up my friend Andre, and we heading over there. It's gonna be a huge meet. There's gonna be a shit ton of cars. There's people at JP levels. They're meeting up there for a pre-meet, and then they're driving all the way down. On the drive, we are gonna head up to Angela's Crest, and what you heard right now was walkie-talkies. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun right here. This is insane. And look at him right there. There he is.
Yo, he's vlogging this morning.
What's
What's up, bro?
I haven't seen you in a minute.
It's been a while.
Sterling.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
And my oil can sleep.
But occasionally, I pull up with something better. You want a
Hey,
donut?
but,
You should get a donut.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yo.
we're leaving level the premium.
That looks good.
Andy's whip right here. So he brought this today. Look at this with the brown and white stitching, carbon fiber dash, and the gray. Insane. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Look at this. Subwoofers, airlift suspension kit, everything, and then like, you see, this is the stuff that he likes, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look at this.
Slams it on his road.
This is what I like. Yeah. Look at this thing, dude. This shit's insane. Senna seats, dude. Everything.
The carbon isn't clear rod yet. So
This is my
buckets,
favorite.
which
This
I don't
is my
mind, but
favorite.
David's got the buckets in it.
yeah, well, see the
Look at this.
lane part here. This thing. When you go to get in, there's not any room. So
All the forced carbon on the side, but the rear is my favorite. Sheesh. That looks so nice. With the F8 and the cop in the back. We got Chris a birthday card. Let's go give it to him right now. Let's go. Where is he?
I have a birthday card for you.
First of all, happy birthday.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You guys have been here since the beginning.
Day one.
Enjoy my.
Thank you. This is true friendship right here. True friendship. True friendship. That's an ass that only I could love. Shit. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Here's Ryan's car. Do you like this? Hell yeah. Holy shit, look at the seats on this thing.
Hey, go Give me this fucking car.
It's so nice.
Get hurt. I don't want anybody to get any tickets. Again, any questions?
Relax.
Okay, I'll see you guys all at that parking structure.
We are now heading to Crest. Cops just kicked us out, and it's gonna be sick. We're gonna meet at some plaza first, all of us grouped together, and then we're just hitting the canyons. We're gonna take over the canyons. We are now heading up Crest. Squad's rolling out. Everyone's looking good. This is gonna be fun.
We have made it to the second location. There's Octane Army. Look at all the cars. I want that back one right there, the white one. I want that one.
I want the fucking yellow one again.
Like, look at you. Hey, we took over the whole thing.
Good.
I don't think we will have problems.
I'm talking me and Mike. We were passing everyone.
Oh,
People were like speeding up to not let us in. It was crazy.
really?
Yeah.
Well, Mike's
We
just a
passed-
different driver.
We passed
What can I
Parker
say?
over there.
That color. Guys, the lineup we have is insane. Look how many cars pulled up. We literally took over Angela's Crest. The Lakers STO right here. 718 cylinder. Someone's two-stepping back there.
The meat is crazy. Oh my god. That's insane, dude.
Look at this thing. This thing's sick. With the 2 Jeeps in the back. That's funny. But this color is nice though. I like it a lot. All these colors together are insane.
Bell pepper, mustard pepper.
Baba John.
Barry Lewis. What's up, brother, man? We got the one and only Drizzy J representing with my brother S to the A to the K. You know, we from the Bay. Baby girl, we finna pull up in the way.
Yeah.
It hurts your ears, huh?
Yeah.
The amount of fucking car alarms this guy set off in the past 2 months is fucking insane. You fucking bitch, you blew out everyone's ears.
That was the point.
Are you ready to get your ears raped again?
Ready.
Who just stole my car, bro? What is this?
That was crazy, bro.
A car flip?
Car flipped on there.
What car?
Let's go check it out.
Hey, hold on, it might be true, bro.
Hey, I swear. Let's go check it out. Evan Centurions, 24/7 live news. This guy will find out. Let's go. Next minute.
Hey, Evan, let's go check it out.
Let's go. Get it. Come on.
Camaro crashed and you can't even recognize the car.
So this Honda apparently crashed into the Camaro driver.
Well, where is the Camaro? Camaro? Maybe he's down here? No, I don't think he's down here. Where's the Camaro?
How did this happen?
I have no clue. I think it was, they said it was the, not the Honda, Toyota. That's the Toyota. Toyota driver's fault. Really? I'm not sure though. I don't know where the Camaro is. It is packed. It's backed up because of this Honda, or I keep saying Honda. It's backed up because of this Toyota driver. Crazy. I just got word. We're stuck here. They're not letting us through.
Bro, is this that bitch that was driving crazy, bro?
Yeah. So
That's the fucking bitch.
exactly. What happened to the Camaro? Where is he?
Oh my god.
Did he take off?
Yeah.
He took off? Oh shit.
That was the bitch that was driving crazy.
Your car's hard, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
That was the bitch that was driving crazy. Remember, like, whoa.
Yeah, she's skirting all over
Skirting,
the
yeah,
thing,
exactly. That was the one.
Oh.
Is she okay? I mean, yeah, she fucked
They're
up,
sitting down, everything, but like the car's not okay. That's fully total.
So the drivers are sitting on the side right there. This truck is what's blocking us from going. They are not letting us in. We have a whole lineup backed up all the way to the second parking lot.
I got fucking shit to do, bro. No, really.
Oh, this is straight out of Fast and Furious. Look at everyone. Emin, your Postmates. They're here.
Listen here. You're about to go down the fucking mountain too.
Oh, look at all the. So they're saying we're gonna stay here for 4 hours. Andre, Nick, everyone got through before we could get in.
I don't know if you guys could see that or not, but there's cars held up all over there. All from there, comes around everything.
Make it 100, I'll come
all
with you.
here, and here's where everyone else is.
Yeah, bro, we're on the scene of fucking Top Gun.
Yo, I asked if he's okay. He goes straight face. You. Ooh.
You're the one who almost killed your friends and yourself.
Yo. Hey, this guy's tripping.
I'll find out who they are. Huntington Beach. Not that far. Come on, boy. Good? You good? You good? Go fuck this one. Big.
Firefighters are here now. Just glad they're okay.
Toyota Camry, like 2013. It's clean title, 20 grand. I know what I have.
Clean title.
The amount of Teslas over there. Alien Nation, holy shit.
Everyone's packed up. I'm gonna take a walk up there for you guys to see how far back it really is.
It is packed up for days. Oh my god. We have Mustangs, Euros, supercars. Bro.
Okay, they are letting us through now. I think they're moving it. We waited here for a good like hour, we'll say. Yeah, I think they're about to move the green truck. Yeah, they just moved the green truck. We made it out finally. We are driving right now. Hopefully, we'll see the whole story when we get down.